Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best toolbox you can get your hands on, the JIMIHOME Home Repair Toolkit set of 61 pieces, X-Tray Set AB Gray. This versatile toolbox is perfect for anyone from the casual DIY enthusiast to the seasoned handyman looking to tackle a variety of tasks around the house or garage. From general household maintenance to auto repairs, this comprehensive kit is designed to meet your needs without cluttering your workspace. Each of the 61 pieces has been carefully selected to ensure you have the essentials for any project. The tools are packed in a well-organized tray system, making it easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. One of the standout features of the JIMIHOME kit is its portability. The stackable design of the trays allows for easy transport, while the top lid features a sturdy folding handle. You can easily take this kit from your garage to your car, or even out to a friend's house for a weekend project. Organization is key in any toolbox, and JIMIHOME has nailed it with dedicated molding for each tool. Gravity keeps everything in place, ensuring that once you're done, everything goes back where it belongs. No more rummaging through a messy toolbox to find that one elusive screwdriver. The innovative modular system allows you to customize your toolbox based on your project needs. Simply slide the top tray into the grooves of another tray and lock it in place. This unique locking mechanism makes it incredibly simple to keep your tools secure while you're on the move. Whether you're measuring, cutting, or assembling, the JIMIHOME toolkit provides all the necessary tools in one convenient set. And the best part? You can expand your collection with additional modular trays from JIMIHOME, allowing you to adapt your toolbox as your skills grow or your project needs change. With the JIMIHOME Home Repair Toolkit, you're equipped to handle a wide range of tasks, from home repairs to DIY projects and even automotive fixes. It's the perfect combination of functionality, portability, and organization. To sum it all up, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality toolkit that meets all your home repair needs, the JIMIHOME Home Repair Toolkit set of 61 pieces is the best choice on the market. It's affordable, well-organized, and designed for everyone, whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your tool collection. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest products. Until next time, happy building!